So it's Thursday, April 18th. I check in with Perky here and Dad and find out what's going on. So what's going on today? We haven't done a video in the last couple of days.
Okay, the complete pan is welded in, inspection plate,
Okay.
and dipstick is in, and I got parts this morning.
Okay, what kind of parts did you get?
Well, the plugs and stuff that I need for here. I found this one, so that's going to be for the PCV valve,
Okay.
or for filling the engine.
Okay.
And this is a PVC valve back here.
Okay.
I'll put a cap on that end there.
Yeah.
Because the deal is you just take it off like that and add oil.
Okay.
And I made this cover here. I gotta paint it yet.
Okay.
And
the differential's in.
yeah, the differential's end is all bolted down, torqued.
Okay.
Needs oil yet. I got it. Our man with lathe is tied up right now,
Yeah.
but drive shaft is next. Eh?
Okay. Did he do the rotor yet or no? Or
The
there it
motor's
is.
in there. See
Wow.
how nice it turns.
I take a couple days off and you just go boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, providing you got parts.
Yeah. Okay. So, what else is new here then?
Well, spent on your 2 days making inspection plates.
Yeah. So this is the pot here Dad put in for the diff, so it doesn't bang out the bottom of the floor.
Made that.
And the floor is completely welded in now.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the U-bolts are mounted as well for the diff.
I gotta make these covers now.
Yeah. So he's got the covers here he's got to put in.
No, I gotta make them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, because we had to open it that big to get the diff in.
Okay. So, yeah, that's probably the last big thing he's got to install. Well, he's still got to do the drive shaft, get that cut. But it's coming together. So,
Now, the floor that went in there,
well, you got to cut out those braces yet, don't you?
I have to cut at least one. I want to show you with a square.
Here,
That's where the floor was sitting.
okay, hold on. That's where the floor was sitting, yeah?
Okay. This is where the floor is going to be sitting now.
Yeah.
So what I might do is make two pieces. But mind you, I can't go two because the drive shaft is right there.
Yeah.
So I can't go any lower than that.
Yeah.
So I can put a cross member in here, bolted in,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll see what I got for room here.
Yeah.
But it's going to have to be a step floor.
Okay.
'Cause it used to sit in like this.
Yeah, and that's
And,
clearly not going to have enough space.
It's 2.5 inches.
Too high? Or too
high
low?
here.
Or too low, I mean?
Too low.
Okay, well, what do you think, Perky?
It's looking good.
Yeah, are you... The Apprentice approves.
The Apprentice, we're working on him today.
Okay, so show us what you got going on here.
I'll let him explain.
Okay.
He's the mastermind.
You're the mastermind.
Okay, what's going on?
Put strapping on, all for new hinges.
Okay, wow.
There. So I don't think it's ever done that before.
And the door closes.
Yeah,
no
that's
problem.
one's for you, Daryl.
Yeah. Okay, was the door flying open before or what?
Yeah, well, you needed to have the bungee cords here to run it before.
Oh, okay, and
This
that's...
is what I want to look at now that you took that plate out. You've got a 1/2 inch plate here with a
Yeah.
hole doesn't line up. Now, if you had a... have to do is open this up a little bit. I put a thin metal plate in with a hole in it that the striker hits properly.
Okay.
But he just won't listen sometimes.
It's
Jeez.
off. It's off, you know.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, once you put the striker in there, 'cause we get
This is all part of the experience here. Is
Like this one I said about the, where was it, right here? Bending that over, welding a little bit right there, eh?
We pulled it down a bit. It'll take that one screw out. That one, just temporarily. And pull this down, and then re-weld it. Eh?
Right there where the brake is.
Yeah.
so Dad's done this on a number of doors before, where he cuts into the door and then he retacks it to fit it better. Because the way it is right now is there's that gap, and that's just gonna collect snow and water and whatnot.
Well, before it was open that much. with
Oh,
the
okay.
bungee cord
So this
over,
is-
everybody was happy. So
Okay.
It's all a plus.
If we get this frame
Yeah.
bent in and welded, so it's
Yeah.
something like that, I think it'd be pretty damn
Oh,
nice.
okay, good. So there we go. That's what Dad and the Apprentice are up to here. And we got a whole pile of snow, and it's winter all over again here in the Paw, and it's gonna snow all day again tomorrow. I literally had to kick myself out of the house this morning to
This
open
is
the door.
Why I want you to bolt all this up, because there's a space in behind there, and I got to make a little spacer before I weld here. You see the gap?
Yeah.
I'll put a little spacer in there, just that long, a weld, and then that hinge should be solid, like this one.
Okay.
I know you're so goddamn fussy, so we're gonna do it right.
That's what I was told, you know.
So you want to say hi to the relatives down in Mexico, and yeah,
Ralph, Jen, how's it going? For
good.
sure.
Yeah,
There's the
they comment on every video. They love the videos, so.
Daryl wanted the doors fixed. I think I read that one
Yeah,
time. So.
okay, good. So there we go. We got the update on the blue, and these guys have really done a lot of work here in the last couple of days. And I'm not going to lie, I'm glad Perky's here to help out Dad. Otherwise, this would be a hell of a job. And Dad's helping him out here at the same time.
That's all working.
So once these guys are done working here, hopefully it's warms up in the next couple of days. But that's that.
We did all this too, Ralph. It's all changed in here now. The room was all wood before. Gas,
Yeah.
all that. That's
There's
all
the new
new.
floor. Cut himself a new floor. So, okay, guys, that's it. We'll check in with these guys tomorrow.